welcome to day one of Jump Rope with Janet, Challenge 2.0. The journey continues. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for your kind comments and questions. We're all in this together, friends, and I'd love to share with you all of what I've learned from my first jump rope challenge, and so we can apply it to this next version of jump rope. One of the things I love about jump roping is that the only equipment that you need, technically, is a jump rope. Mats are optional. Nevertheless, many people have asked me about what type of mat I use. As you can see, I've got the thickness of this mat. We had it lying around in our basement. I literally pulled it up, and it allows some shock absorption for my knees, and also when I jump rope outside, it protects my jump rope. For this jump rope challenge, I'm jumping rope for 8 days, and I'm doing 1,000 skips each day. You can start at whatever pace is most comfortable for you and use whatever equipment that you have. If you have a jump rope, please feel free to use it. For this challenge, I'm using my Crossrope jump rope. When you purchase a jump rope from Crossrope, you get this green rope, which is a 1/4 pound rope, and you also get this white rope, which is a 1/2 pound rope. So this is called the Get Lean package, and it also comes with this handy little bag. Why a weighted jump rope? I like the benefits of a weighted jump rope because it gives you an efficient upper body workout as well as a lower body workout. I hope you found this information beneficial, and I hope it inspires you to start your jump rope challenge today. I'm gonna go ahead and start my 1,000 skips, but stay tuned next time where I'll discuss form and technique for jump roping. All right?